Now let's talk about what to do when something goes wrong. If your bot starts doing something that it shouldn't be doing, the first thing you can try is simply tell the bot, stop all processes right now. You might get a response asking for clarification, and you can chat with the bot just like you normally would. Now, if chatting with the bot doesn't stop whatever the bad thing is that's currently happening, and it's just continuing to run the process in the background, then the next thing you can do is use the Hostinger Docker Manager. In Hostinger, click the 3 dots next to your OpenClaw project, and then click Stop. This will take a moment, and then you'll get a notification saying the project was stopped, and it'll have this little pause icon next to it. Now, the nuclear option is if for some reason that doesn't work, which it should, but if it's running a process and you can't get this to stop, you can always revoke your API key entirely. So if you're running OpenAI, for example, and your bot is just running out of control, you can always find your API key in the OpenAI dashboard and then click the trash can and then revoke the key. The bot loses its brain instantly. Now, because OpenClaw can change its configuration, sometimes things can break and you need to roll back to a previous version. The easiest way to do that is in your Hostinger dashboard, go to Backups and Monitoring, then go to Snapshots and Backups, and then from there, restore from an auto backup. To do this, all you have to do is click Restore. Now, if you know you're about to make a change that could break your configuration, what I recommend is taking a snapshot. A snapshot is basically an instant backup. So you can go into your Hostinger dashboard here and then simply click Create Snapshot. You'll have to click Create to confirm. It'll process for a couple of minutes. And when it's done, in the snapshot section here, you should have an instant backup. That way, when you make the configuration change, if something breaks, you can simply click Restore and roll right back to right before the configuration changed.